हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्लेट का 2012 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का पेपर 2 कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, ये पार्ट 2 वाला वीडियो है। ठीक है, कल पार्ट 1 में हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चंस 1 से लेके 50 तक क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने उसको डिकोड किया था। ठीक है, तो आज हम लोग पार्ट 2 में क्या कर रहे हैं, 1 से 75 तक देयर आर 75 क्वेश्चंस। तो उस 75 क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग अभी ठीक है उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। तो लेट्स बिगिन। ठीक है, ये 2012 का पार्ट 2 है। ठीक है, सो नंबर 1 व्हाट वी हैव इज गिवन बिलो आर assertion एंड रीजन। तो assertion क्या है? थॉमस कीट्स द स्पेनिश ट्रेजेडी 1592 इज द फर्स्ट रिवेंज ट्रेजेडी रिटन इन इंग्लिश। वेरी ट्रू। ठीक है, कीट्स wrote the play to illustrate the evils of personal revenge that was common in England at that time. True. So this should be D. ठीक है, both assertion and reason are true. Right. Number 2 we have the name of the heroine in the sonnet cycle composed by Michael Drayton was Idea. ठीक है, it consists of 51 sonnets. Number 3 the rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is AB AB CD CD EF EF and GG. ठीक है. Number 4 we have most of the psalms in the authorized version of King James Bible was composed by King James. ठीक है, तो अब ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है, MCQs है, तो आप इसको चेक करके जाना एग्जाम में। ठीक है, मैंने आपको सब प्रीवियस ईयर्स ऑलरेडी मैंने सॉल्व करके आपको इस चैनल में डाल दिया हूँ। ठीक है, मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है, आपको सिर्फ चेक करना है। ठीक है. Number 5, the Restoration period in English literature covers from 1660 to 1700. Very famous age. The Restoration period is 1660-1700. ठीक है. Number 6, we have Thomas Traherne is associated with metaphysical poetry. The New Atlantis 1726 is an unfinished work by किसने लिखा था? Is by Francis Bacon. Number 8, know then thyself, presume not God to scan, the proper study of mankind is man. ठीक है, ये epistle 2 of Essay on Man by Alexander Pope. Number 9, the novel Clarissa by Samuel Richardson has the following subtitle. Clarissa कब लिखा है? 1748. Its subtitle is The History of a Young Lady. Number 10, who wrote the magazines The Rambler and The Idler? It is Samuel Johnson. Number 11, who of the poets mentioned below was not included in Dr. Johnson's The Lives of the Poets? It is Andrew Marvell. ठीक है. Number 12 we have read the statements and choose the right course from the given below. Jane Austen's novels bound in reference from the most important event of her age, the French Revolution. ये false है. ठीक है. Number 2, Jane Austen's men and women are all type character. False. Rationality and objectivity overpowered passion and subjectivity in Jane Austen's treatment of her characters. True. Jane Austen's world is chiefly the world of poor rustics of England. True. True or false? I think this is also false. ठीक है. So number 13. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief, when it comes, we all know it's Samuel Taylor Coleridge in Biography and Literature. Similarly, I.A. Richards is Practical Criticism, Charles Lamb, Essays of Elia, and number D, William Emerson's in 7 Types of Ambiguity. ठीक है, इसको भी आपको डेट्स वगैरह आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, make sure you check all this. For example, I.A. Richards' Practical Criticism written in 1929. Similarly, Biography and Literary 1817. William Spurlood 1798. Blank verse है कि नहीं? Number 14. William Wordsworth's The Prelude was composed in blank verse. ठीक है. Number 15. P.B. Shelley was expelled from the University College Oxford. True. ठीक है, इट वॉज सेली एंड थॉमस जेफरसन हॉग, ये दोनों को एक्सपेल किया गया था यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड से. ठीक है, बिकॉज ही रोड एंड पब्लिश्ड ए पैम्पलेट कॉल्ड द नेसेसिटी ऑफ एथिज्म. ठीक है, इसके कारण, ये पैम्पलेट लिखने के कारण उन लोगों को पी.बी. शेली एंड अनदर वन वाज थॉमस जेफरसन हॉग, इन दोनों को ऑक्सफोर्ड से निकाला गया था, एक्सपेल किया गया था. ठीक है. Number 16 we have John Keats wrote The Eve of St. Agnes. True or false? True. Lyrical Ballads was published in 1798. True or false? True. Charles Lamb's dream children is about his 2 daughters. False. ठीक है, Charles Lamb's dream children was about his 2 imaginary daughters. It was not his real daughters. The name of the 2 children were Alice, a sweet girl, and John, an adventurous boy. ठीक है, Alice and John, the name of 2 children. Number D, Samuel Taylor Coleridge was addicted to opium. True, because Samuel Taylor Coleridge क्या था, वो opium फूकता था. ठीक है, he was addicted to opium. Number 17, The Charge of the Light Brigade is a poem by, we all know it is a poem by Tennyson. Number name, it is about the Crimean War. ठीक है, The Charge of Light Brigade. Number 18, name of the author of the Book of Nonsense. A book of nonsense written by Edward Lear. Number 19, we have Alice in Wonderland is a novel by Lewis Carroll. True. It is based on a true story. False. It is not based on a true story. It is a Victorian text. True. Alice in Wonderland is a Victorian text. Another one, it is a classical example of realistic fiction. False. It is a classic example of fantasy fiction. ठीक है, fantasy था. तो इसे option number B. Number 20, we have Alfred Tennyson advised Francis Turner Palgrave when the latter edited The Golden Treasury. True. Number B, the book reflected the Victorian attitude towards poetry and poetics. True. इसका क्या है, Tennyson did advise Palgrave on the Golden Treasury and the anthology indeed reflects Victorian poetic text. ठीक है. Number 21, Number 21, Sartor Resortus means the tailor retailored. ये false है. Nicholas Nickleby is a minor character in Dickens' Bleak House. True. Benjamin Disraeli, the British Prime Minister, was also a novelist. ये भी शायद true ना, because I think he also wrote some novel. Agnes Grey is the pseudonym of Annie Bronte. True. Number 22, we have, okay, many novels of the Victorian period were written in the context of Industrial Revolution. Mary Barton is one of them. It was written by Elizabeth Gaskell. Number 23, we have list 1 and list 2. Margaret Arnold. Another one we have Mariana. Mariana is, I think, Tennyson. है कि नहीं? Number 23 is To Margaret continued is by Arnold, published in Empedocles on Etna 1852. ठीक है, उसके बाद Mariana Tennyson 1830 also originates in Shakespeare's Measure for Measure. Another one we have Rabbi Ben Ezra by Robert Browning, about the famous Rabbi Abraham Ibn Ezra, great Jews, 1864 का है. इसके बाद Demoiselle, The Blessed Demoiselle by D.G. Rossetti 1850. Very important. ठीक है, इसको आप नोट डाउन करना. Number 24 we have The Dynast is a text. The Dynast is a text by Thomas Hardy. ठीक है, तो थॉमस हार्डी का ये प्ले 1904 का प्ले. Number 25, William Golding's Lord of the Flies is a moral allegory. True. The Loneliness of a Long Distance Runner is a working class novel. True. By Alan Silito. The Loneliness of a Long Distance Runner, a novel by Alan Silito. The Wiseman Wedding is a collection of poetry by Philip Larkin. ठीक है, ये false, ऐसे नहीं होगा, ये poetry है. The Prisoner of Zenda is a novel by Anthony Hope. So this would be true, false, true. Number 26, One Among the Following is a play written by D.H. Lawrence. It is Sons and Lovers. Number 27, listed below are the 4 parts of T.S. Eliot's 4 quartets. Identify the Eliot's 4 quartet is 1943. This Burn Norton, East Coker, Dry Salvage, Little Guiding. ठीक है, तो इसको आपको बर्न ऐसे याद करो. ठीक है, आप शॉर्टकट बर्न, उसके बाद ड्राई, बर्न, बर्न, कुक, ड्राई, लिटिल, ऐसे याद करो, ठीक है। पहले आपको बर्न करना होगा, सेकेंड आपको इसको कुक करना होगा, फिर इसको ड्राई करना होगा, फिर ये ड्राई होने के बाद लिटिल होता है, ठीक है। तो लास्ट वन इज लिटिल। बर्न, नॉर्टन, ईस्ट कुकर, ड्राई सैल्वेजेस एंड लिटिल गाइडिंग। Number 28 we have The Portrait of the Artist is Young Man, written by James Joyce. The Portrait of a Lady by Henry James. The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde, and The Painted Veil is by Somerset Maugham. Number 28. Number 29 what we have Phineas and Wake is a prose work by James Joyce. True. John Galsworthy wrote The Man of Property. True. Kidnapped is a novel of William Thackeray. False. The Frank Kermode wrote The Sense of an Ending. True. Number 29. Number 30. Ash Wednesday is a poem of frustration. ये true होगी false है? I think this is false because Ash Wednesday the poem reflects spiritual struggle and religious searching rather than simple frustration. ठीक है? Aerial poems are all poems of joy and relief. I don't think so. Aerial poems by T.S. Eliot are not all joyful, many are serious and reflective. ठीक है, तो ये false. The Hello Man is an expression of the extremist suffering of civilized man. I think this is also false or true, because The Hello Man by T.S. Eliot portrays spiritual emptiness and suffering of modern civilization. True, ये भी true है. Number C. The Love Song of Alfred J. Prufrock opens up with the image of a patient lying unconscious on the operation table. ये true है, ठीक है. Number 31. Stream of consciousness is a term used to describe the continuity of impressions and thoughts in the humankind. It was coined in Henry James' The Art of Fiction. ठीक है. Number 31. Number 32. Who from the following is not a British author? It is Margaret Atwood. Graham Swift, Julian Burns and Angela Carter are United Kingdom the British authors, but Margaret Atwood is a Canadian writer. Number 33. English fiction from India's northeast is gradually emerging as a distinctive literary category. Very true. Mamangdai and Temsula are two prominent fiction writers from the region. True. Mamangdai is from Arunachal. ठीक है, और Temsula और Mamangdai के बारे में थोड़ा आप लोग इसको पढ़ो. Almost all fiction texts from the region deals with domestic situation. False. These texts have received a lot of critical attention in the last 30 years. True. Number 33. Number 34 we have which of the following novels is not by women? It is Disgrace. ठीक है. Number 34 is it is Disgrace. Disgrace was written by किसने लिखा था Disgrace? It is J.M. Coetzee, है कि नहीं? Now another one what we have is